complete such a stylish and cute look when you wear these Caleigh boots this season. These are from Chinese Laundry and they feature a soft suede upper. They also have a square toe silhouette with an easy pull-on construction. The stretch paneling on either side make these very flexible and comfy. They're gonna move with your every step. And then they offer a platform midsole with a chunky block heel. That's actually gonna boost you up a little over 3.5 inches, giving you a solid lift. And then they sit on top of this synthetic outsole that has these grooves that are really gonna help with a lot of traction and stability. Inside, they have a textile and synthetic lining with a cushioned insole that's gonna keep you super comfy. And then I think these will look super cute when you style them with a midi skirt and a sweater for a chilly, cute, and chic vibe.